Hey everybody, this is Dr. Marajas Subramanian over here, and in this video I want to speak about liquidation of dead assets. A lot of times what happens in businesses, in any type of businesses, there are a lot of assets which are either sleeping or they're just dead, and they are losing value going forward. So what do you do over there? You take those assets and you liquidate them as soon as possible. Suppose, like, say for example, it's in a product industry. You may have a product which is like say for example a technology product or a mobile product or a computer product, something like that. What happens? The price keeps on reducing every single day with new models getting introduced, with upgraded and new modifications coming up. The old product just keeps on losing the value. So what do? You liquidate it as quick as possible. The same thing applies to a lot of things, especially one of the biggest or two of the biggest asset I will say is space and time. It's space and time. So what do you mean by space and time? A lot of people, like when they go and hire or like rent out or take a space, they just go for a white space, and a lot of times they just don't use it. I'm currently working with like 4 clients who are sharing out 6 figures, and not even utilizing 20% of the space. It's like 80% of the space is just getting wasted, and still they are ending up paying a high rent for it. What can be done in such case? Subrent it, sublease it, and get some money made out of it. The same way when it comes to like time, especially for freelancers, what happens? Freelancers can do it in 2 ways. One, they can either focus on their marketing or improving their craft and something like that, where they can focus on their online presence, they can focus on developing a website, they can write better sales copies, they can work on developing their processes and all those things, so they can creatively engage in creating further value. Or they can go ahead and just work rather than staying idle. And that way what happens when people just stay idle, especially for freelancers, for solopreneurs, they are bleeding money. They are losing money big time, and they are not liquidating the most important asset that they are having with them, and that is time. So when it comes to you, what is it that is your most important asset? Is it your product which is losing value every single day? Is it your space, a big office space which you are not utilizing? Maybe you can subrent it, or you have rented it out for the entire time, but you're using it only for 4 hours or 6 hours, and for 18 hours it is just remaining vacant or something like that. So that is another thing. Third one is about looking at your time as an asset which needs to be liquidated. So these are the 3 areas where people are losing out on the value of their assets, which either can be elevated to a better level or can be liquidated the sooner the possible. That's the tip to be more resourceful and to bring in more cash flow into your business. I'm Dr. Marajas Subramanian. Wish you great business success.